Okay, so we're going to connect the dots real quick between Repo and BlackRock, which has AMC and GameStop in it. So interesting enough, they're close. They're in the same fund. So why would there be a mutual fund from BlackRock in an ETF itself? So this is a Excel spreadsheet that in fact shows XTSLA's holding. I call it XTSLA because, why not? Triparty Societe Generale. I know I butchered that. I'm sorry. Triparty Barclays. And then you have the underwriters themselves for both GameStop and AMC, the book managers for AMC and GameStop, Citigroup Global Markets, which is, Salomon Brothers, which is, all that rabbit hole stuff involved with 9/11, Anyways, you also have Bank of America, TD Securities, which is a broker dealer. So, yeah, I've always thought banks and broker dealers are what's using these, and it's a result of the securities lending fiasco that's going on because they want to bypass central clearing and go through their own clearing houses, which has caused a big mess. So anyways, there's also the FICC in there as well, which makes sense because it's, the FICC. But the tri-party, I don't know. Interesting thing as well is that the yields on all of these are, 0.05 and totaling to about 8.4 billion in this government fund alone. So, and by the way, there's only a 1-day maturity on all of them as well. So as of Monday, this should update, and this date will change to the 31st, and we'll have a new set here and likely the same groups. So when you keep going, this is XTSLA, the BlackRock Treasury Fund. Supposedly, U.S. Treasury debt makes up 57.32% of the fund. U.S. Treasury repurchase agreement makes up 42.68% of the fund. Well, here's the holdings of the iShares Core S&P Small Cap ETF issued by BlackRock. It has XTSLA in it as the number one holding. This is as of July 29th, 2021. Again, it will update most likely on Monday to reflect each day. It's been updating daily. I'm about to show you that. So anyways, as of July 29th, you have cash and or derivative sector type money market. Money market value is 772 million shares because each share is purchased at $1 or it's valued at $1. That's the net asset value of the XTSLA fund because it's a government fund. So the value and the share count is the same. As far as GameStop, I believe it has somewhere around 3 million shares. But if you look, compared, because I looked at this a while back, as of July 9th, XTSLA was a market value of 911.59 million. And then again, as of today, it's only 772, so it's gone down. Its weighting has gone down as well. GameStop has gone down slightly in market value, meaning it has less shares than it did before as of July 12th. So, yeah. Then there's IWM, the iShares Russell 2000 ETF that has AMC and the same fund in it. This one has about, I think it had at the time 9.256 million shares in IWM as of July 9th. And as of today, it has about 9 million flat, I believe. No, sorry, right here. 9.23. That's as of July 9th. So it's gone down just very, very slightly. About 40 or so. 40 million shares, or 40,000 shares less, I'm sorry. So anyways, you have XTSLA embedded into iShares Russell 2000 ETF, into the IJR ETF, which is the iShares Core S&P Small Cap. Then you also have XJR that has the same setup, XTSLA as the number one, GME is the number two, much smaller, amount, but granted the same setup. So that's two now, and there's much more. There's IWN, same thing. You have AMC in this one. Again, there's another 4 million shares, 4.5 million shares in this one. And again, if you compare the data from the 9th, the notational value of AMC was 4.564 million, and as of today, it would be 4.73 million for the XTSLA fund. For AMC, though, the notational value was 169 as of July 29th. So slowly bleeding off shares, these ETFs are, of both GameStop and AMC. But the thing is that they both have this XTSLA fund in it, which, you know, has tri-party in it. And they're at 5 interests, and there is a broker-dealer right there, and this is just one fund. There's several of these. Several. There's just one. I'm going to look into the other ones. See y'all later.